Imagine this. Two inseparable best friends, both utterly hopeless at English. In class, every time the teacher calls them to read aloud, it's a disaster. Pauses, stumbles, total confusion. They dream of chatting fluently, but when push comes to shove, their mouths go dry. Classmates snicker. These guys can't even string a sentence together. Sound familiar? Ever felt that knot in your stomach when English eludes you? Years fly by and bam, a golden opportunity knocks. A life-changing interview. The catch? It's all in English and they've got just 21 days to prepare. Will they sink or swim? Friend one dives into the classics. Grammar books, nouns, verbs, endless dictionary drills. He crams rules and words non-stop. But friend two? He uncovers a secret weapon. 7 game-changing steps that skyrocket his skills in record time. Fast forward to results day. Friend 1 bombs, rejected flat. Friend 2, he aces it, shining like a star. You're hooked now, right? What were those magical 7 steps that turned a fumbling speaker into a confident pro? And could they work for you? If you've ever frozen up while speaking English despite understanding it on paper, drop a yes in the comments. Let's dive in. These aren't fluffy tips. They're proven hacks to transform your English in 21 days. Step 1. Daily 10-minute word blitz. Grab a spot in your room, scan around, and name everything in English. Table, bottle, chair. No fancy sentences yet? Start tiny to build momentum. Skip the trap of complex jargon. Simplicity sparks confidence. Step 2. Read aloud with triple senses. Snag any English book or article, stand tall, and belt it out loud. Stutter? Power through. Your eyes read, mouth speaks, ears listen. Boom, learning accelerates. Just 10 minutes daily turns awkwardness into fluency. Feel silly? That's the breakthrough brewing. Step 3. Picture power-up. Stare at a photo or scene, your phone, window, anything. Describe it simply: mountains, sun, trees. Train your brain to think in English. Bonus: recap your day in English before bed. Woke at 6 a.m., met friends, ate lunch. Soon, thoughts flow effortlessly. Step 4, pen in teeth trick. Actors swear by this for crystal clear speech. Clamp a pen between your teeth and practice vowels A, E, I. Remove it and voila, sharper pronunciation. Tame that tongue for pro-level clarity. Step 5, listen like a sponge. Ditch grammar grind, immerse in sound. Binge English movies with subtitles, switch to English cricket commentary, or tune into news channels. Daily exposure rewires your brain, speaking becomes second nature. Step 6, mirror mastery. Face your reflection and talk English with flair. Hi, I'm Alex. Add gestures, smiles, energy. It's not just words, body language seals the deal in interviews. Daily practice, confidence explodes. Step 7, confidence catalyst. Here's the real secret sauce. Believe in yourself. Friend 2 didn't just learn, he owned it, striding into that interview unstoppable. You can too. Doubt kills dreams, confidence conquers. There you have it, from zero to hero in 21 days. Ready to rewrite your English story? Start today. Your fluent future awaits. What's stopping you?